Hey everyone, Mike here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools that simplify your workflow. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that's a total game changer, our Reverse Geocoding Software. With this tool, you can quickly convert latitude and longitude coordinates into full addresses, all within Excel using the Google Maps API for fast and accurate results. For over 16 years, we've been building Excel tools that help businesses streamline their processes, serving 7,500 plus customers worldwide. From small businesses to major corporations, our tools have saved time and reduced errors. With over 120 five-star reviews on Google, our users love how easy and effective our solutions are. But don't just take my word for it. Check out these reviews for yourself. If you work in logistics, real estate, data analytics, or any field that relies on location data, this tool will save you hours of manual work. No more searching for addresses one by one or switching between multiple applications. This tool does everything right inside Excel. Here's how it works. Enter your latitude and longitude coordinates into columns A and B in Excel. If your coordinates are in a single column, simply split them using Excel's built-in tools like text to columns or formulas. Click the Run button and the tool will instantly generate the street, city, state, zip code for each set of coordinates. In just one click, you can process hundreds or even thousands of locations, saving you hours of tedious work. And the best part? It works for addresses worldwide, not just in the US. Whether you need to map locations for deliveries, analyze customer data, or clean up messy data sets, this tool makes it incredibly easy. Since this tool integrates with Google Maps API, you'll need an API key to use it. But don't worry, we have a step-by-step video tutorial that walks you through how to set it up in just minutes. Once it's all set, this tool's ready to go. Download the Reverse Geocoding software now using the link in the description and transform the way you handle location data. What truly sets us apart is our commitment to customer support. Have any questions or need help? You can reach us via phone, email, or live chat on our website at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. No bots, no automated replies, just real support from real people. If you need custom features, let us know. We've built hundreds of custom tools tailored to business needs, and we'd be happy to create a solution that fits yours. Like this video if you found it helpful, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tools. Until next time, happy converting.